Recently, 8 provinces, including Shandong, Henan, and Shaanxi, have been severely affected by persistent high temperatures and dry weather. It has seriously hindered agricultural production and the daily life of the residents. In a dry and hot environment, the maintenance points of diesel generator sets are as follows. Make sure the coolant is sufficient. Replace and clean the radiator regularly. Check and change the oil and oil filter regularly. Clean or replace the air filter regularly. Use clean diesel. Periodically remove water from the bottom of the fuel tank. Check and refill the battery electrolyte. Keep the terminals clean. Ensure that the equipment room is well ventilated. Add ventilation if necessary. Avoid running during hot periods. Provide shade. Install temperature monitoring devices. Increase inspection frequency. Make emergency plans. Prepare backup generators and spare parts.